Welcome back to Dad Deals. Harbor Freight just released a bunch of new coupons, so let's take a look and see what's worth buying. If you're new to these videos, the green price tags represent deals available to everyone, and the blue price tags represent deals that are ITC, that's the Inside Track Club member only deals. Also in this video, I'll divide them up so the first batch of deals that you see are available to everyone, and then the last batch will be ITC only deals. Alright, like I said, Harbor Freight released a ton of coupons this time around, so let's not waste any more time and let's get right to the deals. First up is this air compressor starter kit from Central Pneumatic. It's a 20-piece kit, and this would be great if you just got an air compressor or you're getting started with your air tools. This comes with the coil hose, all the quick connect adapters you'll need, some tips for inflating things, and it even comes with Teflon tape to make sure you have secure leak-free connections. This is on sale right now for just 12 bucks. Next up is the Pittsburgh Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool. This thing can pick up to 15 pounds, and it's on sale right now for just 4 bucks. These are great to put in your toolbox if you ever drop a screw or a nut behind a cabinet or a hard to reach place. These can come in so handy and really save the day. This 5-piece trim and molding tool set is really nice if you have to do any interior car work, like removing trim pieces, installing a stereo, anything like that. And this set is only $5 right now. That's about half off its normal price. Another great set to have on hand if you're going to be doing any automotive work are these plastic fasteners. This is a variety pack and has pretty much every fastener that you'll ever find on a vehicle. And yeah, these tend to break on me anytime I'm trying to fix something or replace something. So having them on hand is so nice. This is a 240-piece set and it's on sale right now for just 12 bucks. This is one of those things that is nice to have on hand. You'll end up breaking one at a very inconvenient time, and just being able to go to it, grab the one you need, and use it will be really nice. A cheap pickup is this 18-inch long neck funnel for just 2 bucks. These are great for obviously changing oil, reaching hard to reach gas ports. If you have a Jeep or any off-road vehicle and you need a new winch, check out this 9,500 pound one from Badland. It's on sale right now for $300, which is $50 off its normal price. Next up from Pittsburgh is this high visibility socket set. This is a 4-piece set, and I love the high visibility markings that are on this so you can quickly identify which size you're picking up. And this is just $3 right now. Doyle makes some great hand tools, and here we have a nice ratcheting crimper for just $15. This has the nice color-coded slots if you're going to be doing any of the crimp connections, and just makes installing those so much easier. I love these color-coded tools that Harbor Freight is starting to sell. They're color-coded by size. And here we have these combination wrenches that have that ratcheting side to them. It's a 6-piece set, and it's on sale right now for $25. And of course, like all Pittsburgh hand tools, this comes with the lifetime warranty. I know you can often get these for free, and probably if you've been shopping at Harbor Freight for a long time, you have a ton of these things. But hey, they're just $1 right now. So if you need any or need extra ones, grab them now. These have a nice magnet. They have 2 lights on them and are just a great flashlight to throw in cars or anything like that. One of my favorite things I've picked up at Harbor Freight is this headlamp. This is a new item, but it's technically been around for a long time. They did change it to the Braun brand, but this is a great headlight. It has a nice swivel head on it and also has a bright mode and a dim mode and a flashing mode in case you find yourself in any emergency. But this is just $10. If you find yourself needing to mount a monitor or a small TV, check out this cheap TV mount. It's just 10 bucks. These long pickup and reach tools are just 2 bucks right now. This is another classic staple from Harbor Freight and something everyone should pick up. They're not the strongest, they can't pick up the most, they kind of tend to break easily, but for 2 bucks, you might as well pick one up. I guarantee you'll use it at some point. Another cheap buy is $1 for super glue. This is a 3-pack. Also $1, and a nice thing to have on hand are these heat shrink tubings. So if you ever need to make a splice to a wire, you can make it even more secure and professionally done with these heat shrink tubings. One other cheap item are these battery powered light switches. These are kind of nice, they're kind of cheap, but they're just 2 bucks. You can put them in closets or anywhere that you don't have any wiring to and have a nice quick go-to light. Speaking of lights, these Braun LED, these are the rechargeable underhood lights. So if you find yourself working in the dark a lot in your car, you can just attach this to the underside of your hood and it'll provide a nice long light and plenty of light for you to work. These are on sale right now for $25. Always pick up these dollies when they're on sale. This is the 1,000 pound capacity version. This is 14 bucks. And whether you need it for a dolly or you just need it for the wheel casters, it's a great price. The gloves that are on sale this time are these vinyl clear gloves. These are 100 packs for just $5. The 4-gallon backpack sprayer, this is the manual pump version, is just $20. This is a nice large capacity tank. It does require manual pumping, which is kind of a bummer now that we have these battery sprayers out there. But for just 20 bucks, it's a great deal. Bauer has some great deals on their corded tools. And here we have their corded jigsaw that has a nice laser marking for just $30. That's 40% off its normal price. This also has a variable speed motor, so you can kind of tune to whatever material you're cutting. While Warrior doesn't make the best products, I couldn't believe this deal. You're getting a 12-volt cordless 3/8-inch drill driver and flashlight for just $19. That just blows my mind. This package comes with one 12-volt battery, but the weird thing about it is I don't think it comes with the charger. So keep that in mind if you're going to be buying this kit. Another Bauer corded deal is this variable speed hammer drill driver that's on sale right now for 30 bucks. Keep yourself cool this summer, and also this is a carryover deal from their parking lot sale, but this is the 30-inch pedestal high velocity shop fan for $99. Another carryover deal is this Icon shop seat. This has a nice big base to store all your tools and parts, and also has a nice back to the chair to make it really comfortable, and this is on sale right now for 80 bucks and comes in 4 colors to choose from. The 30-bin wall mount parts rack is on sale right now for $16. That's 36% off its normal price. Socket rails are just 99 cents. You have a nice way to organize all of your socket sets in your drawers. The spring clamps are just $1. While these often feel cheap and break often, hey, it's just $1, so it is actually cheap. So if you need these, if you use them a couple times, it's worth $1. So check these out. The next items are on sale for ITC members only, and there are a lot of good ones this month. First up is the US General. This is the 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart that you can pick up for $50 off for just $170. These come in 6 colors: red, blue, black, green, orange, and yellow, and these are excellent carts. I love the Apache cases that Harbor Freight sells, and this is their largest one. This is the 5800. This is their rolling cart, their extra large rolling case. It has the nice peel out foam so you can customize it to anything that you need to store in it. And this is 30% off for ITC members, bringing it down to just $70. This is your standard plier set, but it's still a nice set to have. It's a 6-piece one, and it's normally $15, but ITC members can get 33% off, and it's only $10. This, of course, includes their lifetime warranty on this set, so you never have to worry about the tools breaking. I love these US General drawer organizers, and these rarely go on sale, so it's great to see these at 42% off for ITC members, and you can pick these up for just $4. Another great way to store stuff are these 20-bin part storage cases, and these are only $7 right now for ITC members. I really like the products in this new Niagara brand that Harbor Freight is selling, and this is the professional spray bottle 2-pack that you can get for just $4. Whenever I mix up pesticide to spray around the house or anything like Roundup to spray weeds, I always leave a little bit extra and fill up one of these spray bottles. So if I have any issues with like ants getting in the house or have any weeds pop up, I can quickly address them with one of these. These are easy to measure, easy to label, and they spray really well. The Hercules, that's Harbor Freight's top of the line. Their table saw is $80 off right now, so it's just $300. I do wish this did come with the stand, but unfortunately you have to buy that extra, but it's still a really nice, well-made table saw. Protect your ears with these earmuffs. They're 25% off right now for just $3. A pretty cool item for storing stuff are these stackable tilt bins. So these have kind of like a tilt action when you pull them out. These are normally $3, but ITC members can get 50% off of them, so they're just $1.50 a piece. These can stack on top of each other or hang on a wall and can make getting your small parts organized and easy to access. The battery operated liquid transfer pump. I love this thing. I use it for filling up my riding lawnmower with gas, but this is probably the cheapest I've ever seen it at just $7 for ITC members. These pick and hook sets are great to pick up at Harbor Freight. Often you can pick up the really cheap orange handle ones for free or $1, or you can step up to the Icon for about $20, but I think these Pittsburgh ones are a nice in between, and right now you can pick these up for just $7. They have a nice bigger handle to them, so if you find yourself needing to pick out O-rings or anything like that, these are great to have. Earlier we saw the manual pump sprayers, but man, these battery ones are so nice to have. They can apply an even amount of spray, which is especially important if you're going to be applying any herbicide with them. And they really have come down in price. You can pick out this Bauer one. This is only the 1-gallon version, and it is only tool only, so you will already need to have some batteries on hand. But this one's just $45 right now. If 1 gallon isn't enough for you, you can step up to the 4-gallon version. This is also tool only, so you will need to have those batteries, like I said. And this one's 10% off right now at just $90. Another awesome deal are these bench brushes. They're on sale right now for just $1.50. These are great for brushing off workbenches. And I even use it when we come back from the beach as a family to brush off sand off any of the beach toys or anything like that. But yeah, these are great. No brainers, $1.50. These 4-packs of the magnetic hooks are great for adding to like a grilling setup. Or we actually even use them on our homeschooling cart. And you can get a 4-pack for just $3. These flexible grip parts trays are really nice. And they're on sale right now for just $10. They're easy to toss anywhere, like on the hood of a car, or even if you're working on the ground. But they have nice compartments. And that Ultra Grip rubber really helps things from moving all around and keeping you from losing parts. The popular Icon 10-inch multi-slip joint Parrot nose pliers are $4 off right now at just $18. Harbor Freight just came out with this Hercules planer to kind of take over the Bauer planer. And it's already on sale right now for $40 off. So you can pick this up for $360. That actually puts it cheaper right now than the Bauer version. So I don't know why you would get the Bauer version. So if you're in the market for a planer, pick this one up. I love pole saws. This is their battery powered in their Bauer brand. This is tool only, but it's on sale right now for 12% off at just $70. I've really had good luck with these Bauer flap discs. These are great for sharpening mower blades or anything like that. And you can pick these up right now for about $4 a piece. The Bauer cutout tool is really nice if you're going to be working with any drywall. And you can make really nice smooth cuts with it. It's 25% off right now for just $30. I love swivel casters. I try to put them on as many stuff in my garage and shop as I can. And right now you can pick up these small 1 5/8 inch rubber casters for just 99 cents a piece. And last up, I love these US General accessories that go on the cabinets. And this is one of my favorite ones, the magnetic paper towel holder. These are available in 7 colors to match whatever setup you have. And you can pick these up right now for just $10. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.